Good morning, guys. Say good morning. So we're here today at Tilden's little farm. I decided to bring Lively to feed the animals here in the farm.
Baby. We're gonna bring the stroller, right?
Oh yes, baby. Hopefully they have the
we are
feeding animal area open.
Nowhere.
Huh?
We are out from nowhere.
Yeah, because we can finally go out now. So, are you excited? Put your glasses on. Put your glasses. Wow! Let me see you. Mommy. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this girl is. Looks just like Dada. So this is where we're coming, Tilden Nature Area, the little farm. And Lively is ready. Not the paper, mi amor. You eat that one right there. There you go. This is what it's. It looks like a jungle over here. Wow! You excited? And there's the little farm right over there. Hopefully there's cows or something.
Look right there. A donkey. Oh, there's a camel.
There are?
Yeah. Camel toe. Very lovely.
Oh yeah, there's a cow barn right there.
Yeah.
The chickens are over there too.
Look at the cow.
Let's go.
Just eating lang.
Hi, cow.
Lovely. Moo.
Moo.
Show your
Do you
food,
like
baby.
it? Dude, look, it has like huge eyes, amor. I haven't seen a cow with this close. Do you like it, mommy? Look at the tail. Do you like it? Hello. She loves animals. That's why I decided to bring her here. Come this way, mommy.
Look.
Here, look. Good job! Bravo! Good job, mommy. You fed the cow. Yeah. Go. You like the chicken? She wants to see the cow, I think. Huh? There's more chickens over there. If you guys ever come here, make sure to bring your lettuce. Lettuce and parsley. Give it to the cow, mommy. Moo.
Oh,
He's like, give it to me. I'm hungry.
Another one. Ay, puto.
It's gonna bite you. Look at the chickens over there.
Oh, look at the rabbit.
Where? Oh yeah.
Look at the rabbit, baby. We need carrots here.
Ooh, rabbits.
Hello.
She likes it, huh?
Hello. Oh, there's more on the top. Let me look. On top of it. Hello. You want a rabbit? I can get you a rabbit.
Jumping. Good job. ¿Cómo le hace el rabbit? Jump. No, that's the cow, mommy.
Look, the other one is coming to you. Right there, right there. Right there, up there. Right
Oh
there,
yeah,
right
that
there.
one is
Up there, mommy.
brown head or something. Oh yeah,
Right there.
so cute. They're so chubby.
You should get one of those.
They're stinky, Mama.
No, no.
Let's check inside what's inside.
It's
Venga, si
chicken.
mami.
Just go inside. I don't know.
Let's go inside.
It's,
Oh yeah, these are the roosters. Or
let's go see one. You gotta go to the hill, maybe. Look at the hill. It's so high.
oh yeah.
I'm gonna fall back. Will you help? You? I can carry you. I have to carry you, Mama. I have to carry you.
This farm is pretty big. These are sheeps, I think, or goat. I don't even know. I don't even know my animals. Come in. I actually needed this exercise. I'm so out of shape. This place is pretty big, but they don't have that many animals out today. They're mostly down there. She's afraid of the dirt and the sand, so she doesn't want to get down. But she did want to get down all the way down there. Only with the animals.
Maybe a rhino.
Hmm?
A rhino.
No, that's not a rhino. I'm crazy.
What is that?
I don't know. You see the animal, mommy?
Oh, you should say in there.
It's right here.
Like chilling in the shade.
It's right there. He's just chilling. Hello, hello.
Whoa.
That's a huge cow.
Hello.
She gets nervous? Whoa. She gets nervous with the cows. This one's like, I'm hungry.
Look at the duck. Quack quacky. Look, look.
She's so happy, huh? Yeah, quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Can you say quack, quack? You want to touch them?
I love you.
They don't really eat the lettuce, huh?
They should bring a quinoa.
Yeah, they will eat a lot of quinoa probably.
Rice, right?
Look at this duck right here, baby.
We have this a lot in the Philippines, like ducks and chicken, and the pigeons, and the pigs.
Pigs. There's a big pig. Where was the pig?
It's over there.
I didn't see it. Oh. Those are some huge pigs right there. They're sleeping. You see it, mommy? She's like, where?
Where's the pig, mommy? Hi, piggy. Say piggy. Hi, piggy.
Come on. Come on, say. Oink, oink. Oink, oink, pig. Yeah, they're sleeping, mommy. Have fun, mommy? Lively. Did you have fun? Yes? Did you feed the cow? ¿Cómo hace la cow?
Moo.
Good, mommy.
Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Okra? Where's the pig?
The pig was eating a little slushy with the macaroon. So cute. We always come to this spot right here to get corn dogs in Berkeley. Joffrey loves them. But I skipped it today because I'm supposed to be on a diet, so Just this little slushy for me and Mama. You want to try, baby? Oh, you want the macaroon? Oh, the macaroon. Pollo Loco? You want to grab that first?
It's up to you. You hungry?
Not right now.
So you want to go to the press first?
Yeah. So we are here now at Pollo Loco because Mr. Joffrey here loves Pollo Loco. And they don't have this in San Francisco. Are you excited? Yes.